Hey guys, this is Sandy123 and welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe and comment and keep supporting my channel. It helps me a lot. Today I'm going to be reacting to BTS Danger MV. Yeah, this is one of their older songs, so let's start reacting to it. Logo. Okay. RM is having this punk rock style and blonde hair. He's writing something. Let's see what this is about. He looks irritated. JK on a piano? Not bad. Is that Tay? He's looking kind of depressed in here. Let's see. Oh, J-Hope looking serious. Oh, that move. Sugar is playing basketball. And Jimin boxing? Sugar's like, let's go. I don't want to do this anymore. He looks kind of frustrated. Okay, the song is now starting. Okay, let me say first, their wardrobe choices. How do they do this? They look so good in this. It has a dangerous vibe to it. It does. Okay, what beats, man? I'm in danger after seeing this. Okay. Okay. Their formations, nice. And that eyeliner is still there. Okay, I think it was in their older songs they used to do this. Okay. Okay. Only RM can put lyrics like equations. Okay, but he looks pretty frustrated. Okay, I think it's frustration about some girl not giving him a call or something. What? Okay, she's not affectionate, she's ignoring him. He's saying that. Okay. Okay, anger. Okay. Like parallel lines? That is a little too much. Let's see more. Okay, so he's the only one who's putting effort in the relationship and she's not. She's ignoring it. Okay. Oh, that is a little bit too much. I mean, poor guy. I am feeling bad for that guy who's saying it. Oh, that's beat. It's going up and down. I like that. I like that. Jin's voice in this. His voice is making me crazy. Really. So she's making them confused by giving hot and cold behavior, or it's just cold seeing the lyrics like here. Okay. Oh, they are thinking that the girl is using them or something because she's not affectionate enough. Okay. Oh no, you guys are not easy. Come on. Okay. Whoa, lighter and all, huh? Jin is totally, and he's wearing dope on his shirt. Okay, it's another one of their songs, I think. Dope, yeah. Ah, Tay has entered. I like his voices. He's my bias wrecker. Oh God. Okay, the chorus has started again. Okay. So always about playing with them or not giving them affection or using them thinking that they are easy or something. Okay. the beats here. My god. And the girl is testing their patience, I guess. Fire and Jin. He's looking pretty nice. Dangerous but good. Okay. Now they're surrounded by fire. I think it's inside their heart the fire is there because they're angry right now. Yeah. He's saying I'm so sick because of you. That's okay. Level of aggression. Okay. It's going higher. Oh, transitions again from the light to dark. Good. Well done. Okay. Oh, that was good. The way they went like that. And the music was also going like that. Nice. Oh, she's not returning their messages and missed calls and all that. Okay. The level of irritation. Oh, he's writing a lot of messages, but she's giving 2 words reply or something. Okay. Oh, dramas can never be reality. I mean, look at the K-dramas we watch. It's too romantic. That's not real life thing. But this is a little too much. I guess it's going totally down. Okay, that was such a good move. Did you see that? Hosuke was like, and that horn blasted, and then they stayed that way. Okay, they went away like that, and then Suga entered. That was a really good move. The choreography was very well done with that lyrics. So she's not even talking to that person. The friend is telling them about her. That is too much of ignoring, like. Okay. Oh God, Sugar's rap is always. I have always liked that, and I can see it. It's good. So he's saying that he's not even a boyfriend. You think that he's a friend or something. The comparison between a friend and boyfriend is gone away like that. Okay. Love loser. Okay. Poor guy. Then I don't know how they did all that with that water and all. Must have gone inside the shoes or something. Must be uncomfortable. And what is RM doing with that? He's tattooing or something? That's pretty teenage stuff. Angst. Okay, what was that? He was putting a bat somewhere. Is he going to break something? That's the only aggression left here. They're gonna break something, okay. Okay, maybe it was JK he was done with the piano. He didn't want to do it anymore. I think he was learning it for her or something. So he just like, just wreck this. And he just did that. Okay. Oh my god, that is too much. We are feeling the danger, yeah. It's coming across. Nice. I'm liking Tae's voice in this a lot. Jin's voice also is pretty great. It's really hard to say which one is better because it's pretty good, the tones. Tae is always such a good actor. It shows when he sings and all that. The level of aggression, and he's putting, like in J-Hope, he's practicing a lot. He's putting more efforts on work instead of doing something else. So it's coming across like that. Okay, Okay, fully like that. It's totally broken now. Okay, just like the relationship, I guess. Okay. Oh, I have heard somewhere that Tay has actually cut his actual hair with the wig. So he was pretty scared about it. And seeing this right now, I don't want to laugh, but knowing that, seeing this, the aggression is not coming to me right now. But all of this is showing the aggression. Tay's voice is pretty growly in the end, even with the chorus. Okay. The last post was pretty great. So if you like my reaction, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comment suggestions, please put it on the comment section. With